Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. This is going to be session 11th for the series that we have started, AWS tutorials for beginners. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic multi-attach EBS volume, and we will discuss how to attach EBS to multiple AWS instances at the same time. So let's start with attach a volume to multiple instances with Amazon EBS multi-attach. So first of all, let me explain you briefly what is that. So Amazon EBS multi-attach enables you to attach a single provisioned IOPS SSD, IO1 or IO2 volume to multiple instances that are there in the same availability zone. You can attach multi-attach enabled volumes to an instance or set of instances. So still there is the limitation that you can attach the volume in the same availability zone. But yes, you can attach to multiple instances. And now key points of Amazon EBS multi-attach. First thing is that multi-attach enabled volumes can be attached up to 16 instances built on Nitro system that are in the same availability zone. So limit is 16 instances, and second thing is it should be Nitro system. And then Linux instances support multi-attach enabled IO1 and IO2 volumes. Windows instances support multi-attach enabled for IO2 volumes only. So basically, if this is Linux instance, then you can use multi-attach for IO1 and IO2 volumes. But in case of Windows, this option will be enabled for IO2 volumes only. Then the maximum number of Amazon EBS volumes that you can attach to an instance depends on the instance type and instance size. So there is dependency on instance type as well. Multi-attach for IO1 volume is available in US East, US West and Asia Pacific region only. Multi-attach for IO2 is available in all regions that supports IO2. So for IO1 there are just 3 regions in which you can use multi-attach, but for IO2 all the regions supports multi-attach if it is supporting IO2. And then how to do multi-attach? Multi-attach during volume creation. So basically you can do multi-attach during volume creation and after the volume is created. So we are going to do both in this video. So first of all, you have to choose the volumes in the navigation pane by going to EC2 dashboard that we have done in the previous video as well, and then choose create volume, and volume type should be IO1 or IO2. Then enter the size of volume in GIB that we have done already. Then enter the maximum number of input operation per second, that is IOPS, that the volume should provide. After that, enter the throughput that the volume should provide in MIB per second. Then choose the availability zone in which you want to create the volume. After that, choose enabled multi-attach. This is just different point and the most important as well. And then set the encryption status for the volume if you want to encrypt it or not. Then choose create volume. That's all that you have to do. So let's go to AWS console again, volume again, and create volume. Here we are going to choose provisioned IOPS SSD IO1. Size I am taking little less, which is 10 GB. Okay, and then okay, I am selecting this region itself, but we are not getting option of multi-attach. So what is the reason for that? You can see I am in Mumbai region, but I have already informed you that this multi-attach is supported in just 3 regions, that is US East, US West and Asia Pacific, and we are not using any of these here. So what we can do, either we can switch the region or we can change the volume type itself. So you can see here, if I am choosing IO2, I am getting enable multi-attach option there. So I can enable that, and now rest of the things should be same, no worries. I am just creating the volume. Yeah, this volume ID has been created, but right now I have just one instance, so I am going to create one more. I am naming it test2. Here also I am proceeding without key pair, but yeah, I have to make sure that this instance get launched in AP South 1A, because otherwise I will not be able to attach the volume, because still we have the limitation that volume can be attached to the instances which are in the same availability zone. That's all. So okay, now I am going to the volume, and which one is that? You can see IO2 from the type. So yeah, I am selecting it, attach volume. So first thing is that I am attaching to this instance, naming it SDG. But issue is that this volume is multi-attach. That is fine. But T2.micro does not support multi-attach enabled volumes. So we will not be able to attach to this instance. So for that we have to use bigger instance type. So for time being, I'm going to terminate these instances. But yeah, rest of the steps are just similar. So you can just follow them. Just after this, you will be able to attach it successfully. So I'm just skipping this part. And now, how to do multi-attach after creation of ABS. So suppose you have created one ABS and you want to enable multi-attach on that. How will you do that? So for that, choose the volume in navigation pane, select the volume, choose actions, and then click on modify volume. Choose enable multi-attach. You have to just enable multi-attach option there, and that's all. So let's try to do this. So I'm going to volume. We have already created one volume, which is, I can say here, click on actions, modify volume, but we are not getting any such option. Why? Because the volume type is GP3 here. So we will not get that option. Even if we try to modify, then also we will not get the option immediately. But yeah, later we can get. But right now we will not get. So I'm selecting another volume. Click on modify volume. You can see here Amazon EBS multi-attach. You can either disable it or you can either enable it. So you can just simply enable or disable it by clicking on actions and then clicking on modify volume. That's all. Now you can just click on choose modify. That was the final step. And now disable multi-attach. We have already discussed it, but yeah, let me tell you here as well. Same, you have to choose the volume, then you have to choose the actions, then modify volume and clear enable multi-attach. You have just seen right now. Let me choose the volume here, IO2, modify volume, enable and disable. Yeah, if you uncheck it, multi-attach will be disabled. That's it. That is all that you need to do. And just click choose modify. That's all. So now attach an Amazon EBS volume to an instance. So these are exactly same steps that we have already followed. Select the volume, choose action, attach volume, enter the instance ID that you want to use to attach the EBS volume, and then device name. We have already done that part as well. Then choose attach volume, and that's all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great learning, and please do subscribe this channel IT India.